Wilson, can you say Dada?
Dada.
Good boy.
Daddy.
Daddy. Where is Daddy? Can you say at work?
Dada.
Dada. Can you say Baba? Wilson, can you say Baba?
Dada.
Was that Dada or Baba? No, no. Wilson, no, no. Wilson, what are you doing? Wilson, can you say Mama? Wilson, can you say Mama? Dada? Can you say Dada? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later.